Christmas has come early for me. This unboxing is gonna be epic. Welcome to Chasing Tents, everyone. My name is Abhi. Welcome to another episode where I will do something I don't really enjoy because I hate unboxing stuff because I'm rubbish at it, but I'll unbox the Öhlins TTX GP. You know what, guys, I'm super excited because this kind of is for me the next phase in 2020 for my track day riding, hopefully racing one day. And as I'm getting quicker and quicker, the upgrades are coming and I'm going to use these upgrades to get myself better on the track. So let's start unboxing. Here we are, box. And now I have to decipher how to open it. I honestly have not opened it. I have no idea. Nice box. Well, if you want to have a look at the box, if you're interested. Öhlins kind of peeping, tearing the box. Quite simple, quite minimalistic. And I think when a company is at the stage where Öhlins is, they've got a number of ATVs, off-roading, bike, motocross, Subaru, Pretzels there. MotoGP, Formula 1, road racing, and snowboarding. Flipping heck. So yeah, they get their hands into everything, Öhlins. How the hell do I open this? Oh, here we go. I'm gonna move the seat back a bit. Here we are. Öhlins. So what is the exact model? It's Öhlins TTX GP. And this is AP468. So this is the latest Öhlins TTX shock. So the one before was 3 something. I forgot the actual number, but this is AP468. And yeah, it's a full GP twin tube system. So let's get this out. Ooh, what's that? That didn't go very well, did it? You know what? Not super impressed. A bit of foam with a... Oh my god. Ripped foam? You would think they would... Oh my god, this is heavy. Flipping heck. Oh my god. Guys, no disrespect to Öhlins, but I don't know. I was thinking this is gonna come in... It's packed in some kind of foam, and it's called Sealed Air Product Care. Yeah, I thought it'll be, you know, when you get rear sets, they come in like this foam thing, and they're like this is embedded into the foam, and it's kind of like cut and stuff. I thought it'll be this. All the thermocol. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, all the foam has gone in everywhere inside. Anyways, I'll clean it. Oh, it comes out pretty easily. It's not that bad. Öhlins TTX GP. Now, the spring, you have to tell Öhlins what spring you actually want. So they will ask you questions around your height and weight. And so I gave them a weight, and accordingly they've given me the spring. Oh, not happy with this thermocol bullshit. Sorry. So to tell you a bit more detail about Öhlins TTX and how it works, I've got my Australian friend, Byron Draper. Byron, g'day mate, take it away.
My name is Byron Draper, Product Specialist for the Motorcycle Road and Track Division. The initials TTX have become synonymous with Öhlins. But what is TTX and how does it work? Twin tube damper design has been around for a considerable number of years, but only Öhlins have managed to successfully master the technology to make the system work effectively in a variety of damper formats. Unlike a conventional single tube damper, the TTX uses two separate tubes, a feature that gives rise to its name. The inner tube houses the damper's solid piston and shaft. The outer tube directs the flow of oil between the tubes via adjusters and back to the other side of the piston during compression and rebound movements. The flow of oil combined with the adjuster's position and solid main piston eliminate the risk of air bubbles forming in the oil. This is due to the pressure dropping close to zero inside the damper, resulting in a loss of damping force, a phenomenon called cavitation. In a pressure-balanced damper, like the TTX, the lowest pressure remains well above zero throughout the piston's movement. This eliminates the risk of cavitation regardless of settings and maintains pressure balance at all times. While this may sound complicated, it is actually a very simple and elegant solution to creating accurate and consistent damping qualities. Digging a little deeper, we see that as a motorcycle hits a bump, it causes the shock to compress, absorbing the bump and storing energy in the spring. This is commonly known as the compression phase. During this phase, the solid piston pushes oil through a needle adjuster and shim stack on the compression adjuster. The oil then continues through a check valve that bypasses the rebound adjuster. This restricts the flow of oil and provides adjustable compression damping. Once the oil passes the adjusters, it flows between the twin tubes and back to the rebound side of the piston. Following the compression phase, the spring releases the stored energy and tries to return to its original position, causing the shock to extend. This is the rebound phase. During this phase, oil flows back along the same path as in the compression phase, but in the opposite direction. The oil now passes through a needle adjuster and shim stack on the rebound adjuster and continues through a check valve that bypasses the compression adjuster. This restricts the flow of oil and provides adjustable rebound damping. Once the oil passes the adjusters, it flows between the twin tubes again and back to the compression side of the piston. Now you know how the Öhlins TTX system works. Simple, right?
Cheers, Baron. Appreciate that, mate. Thank you very much. By the way, Ohlins, don't copyright me, yeah? I'm just helping you guys out, alright? No copywriting me. Just helping you guys out. It's just all good news, all good news, except the packaging. Anyways, guys, yeah, really excited about this Öhlins rear shock. I've never actually held a rear shock in my hand. It's pretty heavy. Well made, real beautiful finish and everything. And you know what, guys, I didn't want to make this video too long, and didn't want to bore you as well. But yeah, next phase in track riding / hopefully racing. Hopefully this can give me some good lap times and, good contact patch. Any questions, please put them in. I know my colleague Baron did a great job there, but if you've got any questions about the Öhlins TTX GP, remember, Öhlins TTX GP, Öhlins TTX 36 are two different things. This is GP, racing only. You've got the OEM stuff, which is road only. So two different things. I think these are more than twice the OEM versions. These are lighter. These are made according to your weight and stuff like that, kind of the spring and stuff. The OEM stuff is generic. The OEM stuff is this you have to service this every year, no matter what, or depending on the amount of tracks you do or races you do. The kind of OEM stuff, you can it can take a lot of punishment because it's meant to last you a long time, not last in terms of servicing level last. So yeah, so this is different from the road going version. So guys, two different things. I've had one or two people when they've bought I think for £500 a Aprilia OEM TTX thinking it's the GP version. It's not. The road stuff is very different to the race stuff, and you know what, they say there's a big difference, and I've spoken to about 4 different people, and one of them runs a race team in British Superbike, and they do say the GP stuff. And this comes to not even Öhlins, other people, K-Tech, Mupo and stuff like that. When it comes to the race stuff, that stuff is completely top-notch and really different. So yeah, guys, don't confuse the both. And guys, if you want to know where you can get it from. I use Road Race Performance Shropshire in UK. Their details are in the description. If you speak to them, mention my channel's name, Chasing Tenths, they can give you 5 to 10% depending on the product, or even more if they exclusively deal with that company. Thank you for watching this video. Really appreciate your support. Please do subscribe. I know this video was a bit funny and stuff, but I didn't want to go through everything at 2 o'clock in the morning. I thought my friend Baron did a great job. So thanks, Baron. Anyways, guys, take care. Bye.